Okay, so we've learned the difference between a descriptive claim and a prescriptive claim. Now what I'm going to do is apply this to something you might have learned, maybe if you went to public school. So uh, from what I've heard from some people growing up in the American public school is they'll learn a distinction between facts versus opinions. Okay, they'll learn the fact opinion distinction. This might even be in high school, maybe even college. I don't know if you would learn it here. I'm interested to discuss this with some of you in the Zoom session. And what they'll learn is that only descriptive claims can be facts. Okay, whereas only prescri- um, whereas all prescriptive claims are opinions. Okay, so they'll learn only descriptive claims can be facts. Okay, no prescriptive claims can be facts, basically. Okay, and then um, all prescriptive claims are opinions. Now, why might they say this, or why might they think that? Because they might say something like this. A prescriptive claim, a proposition about how things should or shouldn't be, among those are moral judgments or value judgments. What somebody did was good, what somebody did was bad. Value judgments or moral judgments are mere opinions and can't be facts. Okay, that's why they say all prescriptive claims are opinions and only descriptive claims can be facts. Okay, have you ever heard that sort of? Okay, whereas like descriptive claims are objective, right? They describe how they're a proposition about how things are. Okay, and the prescriptive claims are mere opinions. They're about like just our own personal beliefs, our own opinions about how things should or shouldn't be. Okay, now if you think for some of you, yeah, like I have heard stuff like that before. It's so common in our culture to hear something like that. And what I want to tell you as a professional philosopher and someone who teaches ethics at VCU is it's probably false, okay, what you learned, and at least it's controversial. Okay, so here's something I'll just note, okay, which is a lot of professional philosophers actually believe this. They would say um, there are moral truths and moral, moral truths and moral facts. Okay, there are moral truths and moral facts. Okay, this is a common view held by a lot of ethicists. Not all. Okay, so there's some disagreement, but it's very commonly held. If there are moral truths or moral facts, then that means some prescriptive claims, okay, as moral facts, as prescriptive claims, can be facts and not mere opinions. Okay? Now, why would you think this? Well, just think about some claims that could be a true prescriptive claim that could be a fact. Like Hitler's killing millions of Jews and many more was wrong. Okay? That's not just an opinion. Okay? That's a truth. Okay? That what Hitler did was wrong. Okay? Um, and it's not that hard of a thing to grasp. Like genocide is wrong. That's a moral truth. Or racism is bad. Or sexism is bad. Right? I mean, just think of your list. Those are mere opinions. Those are moral truths and facts. Now, some of you might disagree. It's possible to disagree. But we could disagree about any fact. You know, we can disagree about any descriptive claim. That's common. Okay. Um, so what I'm pushing back on is just kind of someone just teaching, oh yeah, only descriptive claims can be facts, all prescriptive claims or all moral judgments are mere opinions. Well, not necessarily if there are moral truths and moral facts. And so it's very common, and this is what we do in our ethics classes at VCU, which is we try to help people discern and learn what the moral truths and moral facts are. Okay, supposing that there are some. Okay, and that they're actually supported by arguments, and they're not just mere opinions. If there are no moral truths and moral facts, and we're just throwing back and forth opinions, then we're not. What's the point of taking an ethics class if it's all just mere opinions? Okay. Rather, we're trying to get to the moral truth in ethics. So this is my sadness at how poorly we've educated people with ethics, and that's probably just because not many people learn philosophy in America. Okay, so this is something I just wanted to apply. Okay, that this common view, only descriptive claims can be facts, all prescriptive claims are opinions. I just want to say that's at least very disputable if somebody just says it as if it's true. And it's probably plausible that there are moral truths and moral facts, and so these are false. Okay, okay, so with that, I'll see you guys in the Zoom session.